Hola, damas y caballeros. And so now it's time to review for the test. And I hope that you're going to Quizlet. I want to show you something that maybe you don't know about Quizlet. So here I am signed into my account. And if you sign into your account, I'm sure you will see all of the Quizlets that you have studied. If you don't see them, you will also find them on the wiki. And let me just go to where they are. They will be in Estudiar con Quizlet. And these are all the Quizlets that I've made. I just made 2 more, and I will make sure that I make a page for them and put them on the wiki. So let's take a look at frases importantes para debutantes. So I'm backing up to the very beginning. So important sentences for beginners. So as you know, I've recommended that you first of all do the Spanish side and then the English side. So I would say select Spanish first and go this way, como te llamas, and then you have to say what's your name and click to flip, and you'll see what's your name and the informal one, and you can go through them this one. You know, ¿qué quiere decir? What does that mean? Me llamo, my name is, etc., etc. And then once you've done that and you've done them successfully without any mistakes, then go back over, do just the English side. What is this called? And if you can't remember, give yourself a couple seconds, click to flip, ¿Cómo se llama eso? And then just keep on going all the way through. So once you've done that from front to back, back to front, and you think you're pretty good at it, then come down here and choose a study mode. Now some of these are cool because they're games, like the scatter game, which is fun. So you have to make everything disappear. You've probably played this before, and you have to match the sentence here with the picture there. But you might want to try this one here, learn. And what this does here is you have to, here they give you the English see you later, and you have to know, well, in this case it's easy because you see it's right on the picture, hasta luego, but you have to put the exact spelling. And if I put a period on the card, you might even have to include the period, which is sort of a pain. I think I took that off. Oh, and it's correct. So you see that the point came down, and now you know that you see you have 2 correct. Press any key to continue. And how do you say? Como se dice? And here you're going to need to put your accent. There you go. Como se dice, etc., etc. So let's find another one. Let's find the speller one. And in this one here, you have to spell the word that you hear. Gracias.
Hasta la próxima.
Etc., etc. What I want to show you here is you have 4 modes here: scatter, learn, flashcards, and speller. But if you click over here where it says study these flashcards, if you have an account on Quizlet, it should bring you to this page. And if you don't have an account, well, make yourself an account. And here's what you can do. If you click on test, which is not available to you from the wiki, but if you click on test, what it does is that it gives you a test and you can select what kind of questions you want. If you want only multiple choice, if you want written questions, matching true or false, etc., how you want to be graded, prompt with the English or the Spanish. It's really wonderful. And if you can choose how many terms you want to be questioned on. So let's take a look at this one here. So you have 5 written questions. So you'd have to write como te llamas, and you probably need to put all of the upside down question marks and everything else in there. Let's go matching questions. So you match here. ¿Qué es eso? Hasta mañana. So here you have the cards. So good afternoon. So take C. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. So here you just put C. All right, etc., etc. Multiple choice. So true and false. and then you can come back and you can check your answers. Here it tells me I have an incorrect answer because I didn't answer it, but really play around with this because it is absolutely super. Oh my God, look, I got an F. That's terrible. So you can regenerate the test. In other words, do it again in a different order. You can print the test. This has got to be one of the best ways to study with these cards and just study in general. And I really encourage you to make the Quizlet cards not only for your Spanish class, but for other courses that you're going to be studying. And so if you go to the wiki and you check on Estudia con Quizlet, there you'll find the pages. Remember that you have a study guide that I made for you, and you can get the link right over here by clicking here. And on the study guide, you see I have given you the pages in the book, and I've given you links on the wiki. And in this case here, I don't have anything yet for definite articles and making nouns plural, but I will be making a little video for that. And what else? And probably, well, the irregular verbs, you know that pretty well. So, use Quizlet. Really, there's so many ways that it can help you study for this test coming up. And that's it.